Today, I'll show you how to print your Google Calendar so you can have a clear, organized schedule right on paper whenever you need it. Whether you're planning your week, sharing a schedule with a team, or just like having a physical copy on your desk or fridge, we'll walk through the process step by step. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to customize and print your calendar in a way that works best for you. First, open your web browser and go to calendar.google.com. Make sure you're signed into the Google account that has the calendar you want to print. If you use multiple accounts, double check the profile icon in the top right corner to confirm you're in the correct one. Once your calendar loads, you should see your events laid out by day, week, month, or whichever view you were last using. Next, look toward the top right corner of the screen for the small gear icon. This represents the settings menu. Click on the gear icon and a drop-down menu will appear. From this menu, you'll see several options related to your calendar settings and preferences. In that drop-down, click on the option labeled Print. As soon as you do that, Google Calendar will open a print preview window. This is where you can adjust how your calendar will look on paper before you actually send it to the printer. It's a really important step because it lets you avoid wasting paper and ink on a layout you don't like. The first thing to set up in this preview is the print range. This controls the dates that will appear on your printed calendar. You might see a default range, such as the current week or month. Click on the date fields and choose the start and end dates you want. For example, you can print just a single week for a detailed work schedule, or select several months if you need a broader overview. Take a moment here to think about what you actually need on paper, so you don't end up with too many or too few pages. Once the date range is set, you can customize how your calendar will look. In this same preview window, you'll find options to choose the view, font size, orientation, color, and style. For the view, you can typically select from layouts like daily, weekly, or monthly, depending on how much detail you want to see. A monthly view is great for big picture planning, while a weekly view gives more space to show individual events. Then, adjust the font size. If you want to fit more information on a single page, choose a smaller font. If readability is more important, especially for wall calendars or shared copies, go with a larger font size. Next, pick the orientation, portrait or landscape. Landscape often works better for week or month views because it gives more horizontal space, while portrait can be good for daily or agenda-style prints. You can also decide whether you want to print in color or in a more ink-friendly style. If you rely on color-coded calendars, keeping color enabled can make the printout easier to read. If you're printing many pages, a simpler style or grayscale might be more practical. After you've set the print range and customized the view, font size, orientation, color, and style to your liking, take a final look at the preview to make sure everything appears the way you expect. When you're satisfied, click the print button. Your browser's print dialog will open, where you can select your printer and any final printing options, then confirm to start printing your Google Calendar.